So today we are going to learn how we can drill through a tile and a mirror. But first of all, I'm going to show you how you can drill through a tile such as this, and I have already pre-drilled a hole right here, so I'm going to show you how you can do that. And to do this you need special drill bits, and these are specifically glass drill bits like this. They come in different sizes, and also you're going to need to pre-fill a bottle with water, poke a hole right at the bottom and another one right at the top. So this is to cool the surface that we are going to drill, and also to cool the drill bit as we drill. So the first step is to install a drill bit in your drill. So right now we are going to use a 6 mm. Make sure the drilling function is on, and then locate where you want to drill. Maybe we want to drill right at this spot, so create a mark. Then now we are going to release our water onto where we want to drill. So you're just going to release that, and once we start drilling, you're going to angle your drill bit. As you start drilling, you angle it so that it can score the surface, and then you lift it up as you continue drilling so that it can drill a clean hole. Because what happens when you just go above it, it will just skid away, you know. Okay, so let's do this. So as you can see, we've just drilled through a hole using a 6 mm. You can see how clean cut it is. So we're going also to try out with the bigger drill bits. So again, we're going to repeat the same process, but this time with a bigger drill bit, 10 mm. And we're going to drill a different tile. So say we want to drill right next to this one. So make a mark, and you're going to release your water to start pouring on the tile. So if you're doing it on the wall, maybe have somebody spray the water on the tile while you're drilling. And as you can see, we've managed to drill another hole. Okay, I missed my point a little bit, but that's because I did not press it hard enough. Drilling through a mirror is exactly the same procedure as drilling through a tile. So you just place your water jet right where you want to drill, then you repeat the same procedure as we drilled the tile. So the only trick with drilling on a mirror is that make sure your drill make sure you have your drill on high speed, because when you drill slower, it might rupture the mirror, it might crack the mirror. And that's how you drill through a mirror and a tile.